Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to my dad's house so I can do my little brother's hair so he can get ready to go on his little trip. Okay y'all, here I just got done washing my brother's hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and section it off so that I can detangle it and start blow drying his hair. Here I'm just dividing the section I already sectioned off and just making sure I get the back of his head really straight too, so that way the hair can stretch. This boy's so nosy, he always finds his way into the camera. Look at him. Trying to check himself out. Go away. I'm gonna finish the rest of his head and come back to you guys once I am done.
I wish my hair would actually stand up like when I got it out.
Boy, why are you making your face like that?
The light so bright. Is it a setting not bright?
Let me turn it down. I can't see.
You need 2 glasses then.
Stop playing with me. You need glasses too. Yes, you do.
I can see everything I need to see.
You got your dad eyes and your dad attitude because he can't see neither and he say the same thing.
That's cool.
Y'all be walking around driving blind.
No, like I said, I can see what I need to see. What do I need to see from here to...
So you can't see far? Is stuff blurry right now to you?
Like what?
Like can you read that what them bottles over there say?
Like the white thing, the back of the bottle?
No, like you see that little edge control bottle right there? What do it say?
Which one is the edge control? The pink one?
Jesus, hold on a second. Let me turn this light back on because if you can't read this, then you need glasses. Exactly. See? No, you need glasses.
So like, if you really don't got no type of glasses on, you can't see.
Yeah. I mean, I can see, but everything is blurry. It's not super duper blurry, like to the point where I can't see or make stuff out, but it's just.
So if you took your glasses off, you couldn't see that red thing that say walking?
Nope.
Dang, then that means your eyes are worse than mine then.
I told you.
But you've been wearing glasses for 16 years. You see that?
It don't improve your vision. It helps. You see.
Oh, it don't improve your vision?
No.
So my eyes basically gonna be bad regardless.
Yeah, who told you it improve your vision?
Nobody, but so what's the point of wearing glasses then?
So you can see.
Okay, y'all see that crisp middle part? And this the bottle my brother can read. But that's the those are the products that I'm going to use to part his hair and to braid his hair down. And whenever I apply these products, I like to just go on ahead and like smooth it in his hair so it won't just be sitting on top of his hair caked up. It really got a lot of hair, y'all, and it's just so thick. Okay, now I'm just going to section his hair off and get ready to make my part so I can braid his hair down. Once I'm pleased with my part, I go ahead and I take the shining jam and I just line the part with the shining jam just to make the part extra crispy. And then I go back over it with my rat tail comb and just clean it up and get, like any hairs that may be in the way, or fix up the line if need be. And now I'm going to section off my first part so that I can get ready to braid his hair. Moving on to the next section, I already went ahead and parted this area, so now I'm just lining it with the shining jam, and then I comb it through his hair so it won't be like so kicked up at the top. And then I like to do window parts, so that's just what you see me doing right here. This is just a close-up of the braids that I have done thus far, and I will come back to you guys once I am in the front of his head. I just wanted to come back right quick and show you guys that I'm doing triangle parts at the top of his head, and I decided to like plait it down to his head, that way it could lay down. Okay, now we are finally at the front of his head, so I'm just going to go ahead and section this first section off. This section is just going to be one braid, and then the row above it will have 2 braids, and then the top row that you will see will have 3 braids. you guys, and this is the finished product. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys all learned something from this video. Leave a nice little comment down below. Let me know if you like videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.